If you're wondering why you haven't reached your goals yet, the truth is simple. You spend more time complaining than committing. You can't complain your way into success. You can only work your way into it. And if you're confused about why you haven't built anything great yet, let me break it down for you because the answer is staring you in the mirror. The first reason you're not where you want to be is this: you focus on the cost instead of the value. Most people obsess over how hard the journey will be. They see the price and walk away, but successful people don't negotiate the cost. They negotiate the worth. They ask themselves one question: is my dream worth the sacrifice? Is it worth the early mornings, the late nights, the lonely grind, the failures, the embarrassment, the setbacks? If the answer is yes, then the price doesn't matter. Unsuccessful people count the cost and quit. Successful people pay up front and life pays them back with interest. Stop asking how hard it will be. Start asking how great it will feel when you get there. The second reason you're stuck is because you blame everything except the person in the mirror. If you want to meet the person responsible for your failures, look at your reflection. The good news is that the same person is responsible for your future victories. Own your life, own the wins, own the losses, own the lessons. If your business collapsed, learn from it. If your savings disappeared, rebuild smarter. If you chose the wrong partner, choose better next time. Blame is comfortable, but it keeps you exactly where you are. Responsibility is uncomfortable, but it's the only path to growth. The third reason you're not succeeding is because your word doesn't mean anything. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Not for others, but for yourself. Every time you break your own word, you lose trust in yourself. You chip away at your confidence. Be the person who follows through. Be honest when you're struggling. Be real when you can't meet a deadline. People respect honesty, but more importantly, you will respect yourself. Integrity is a superpower. Use it. The fourth reason you're not winning is because you live for approval instead of purpose. Most people build their entire life around what they think others will applaud. The job that sounds impressive, the partner that looks good, the lifestyle that seems acceptable. But none of that matters if it isn't true to you. You cannot reach your potential while living someone else's script. You cannot be great while pretending. Choose the path that lights you up. Choose the work that feels meaningful. Choose the life that feels like yours. When you follow your purpose, quitting becomes impossible. And the fifth reason you haven't made it yet is because you chase money instead of meaning. Unsuccessful people think the successful are obsessed with money, but they're not. They're obsessed with impact, growth, creation, and excellence. Money is a byproduct, not the target. The people who chase money end up chasing forever. The people who chase purpose end up attracting everything they need. Stop getting distracted by shiny things. Build something that matters. Build something that lasts. If you've been working hard and still haven't made it, then work smarter, work deeper. Find a new angle. There is always a way. Your life changes the moment you stop making excuses and start making decisions. Pay the price. Own your path. Honor your word. Follow your purpose. Chase meaning, not money. Do that and success won't be something you chase. It will be something you become.